Today on Happiest Camper, I'm going to show you these easy sew curtain tiebacks. If you have large curtains in your home as I do, these curtain tiebacks are a must-have. You can make them to match your decor for a seamless look. Let's get started. You want to start by cutting the fabric pieces you will need. You will need to cut 2 pieces that are 4 inches by 21 inches for each tie you need to make. You will also need to cut 1 piece of fusible fleece that is just slightly smaller than the fabric. You will need 1 piece of fleece for each tie you need to make. The next thing you need to do is iron the fleece to the back side of one of the pieces of fabric. Do this with your iron on medium heat. Place a pressing cloth over the fleece, then press the heated iron over the area for 10 to 15 seconds until the fleece is bonded. Make sure to iron over the whole thing. On the fabric side of the piece that has the fleece, we need to sew the Velcro. Pin a piece of the Velcro about a ½ inch from the end of the fabric. Then pin the opposite side of the Velcro to the other end, also about a ½ inch from the edge. Then sew the Velcro in place. Now lay the fabric with the fleece on top of the other piece of fabric with the right sides touching each other. Pin or clip in place. Sew all the way around the edge of 3 sides, leaving one of the small ends open. Sew using about 1/4 inch seam allowance and make sure to do a back stitch at the start and finish. We are about halfway through this fun tutorial. If you're enjoying it, be sure to hit that like button. Using the scissors, trim off any extra fabric on the edges of the stitching. Just be sure not to cut into your seam. Turn the whole thing right side out through that open end. Using the end of a pencil or another like object, push the corners from the inside to make sure they are fully turned out. Fold the raw edges on that one end inside by about 1/4 inch, pin in place. Then iron if needed, so the whole thing is nice and flat. Using the foot of the machine as the guide, sew all the way around the tie, including the end that was open, keeping the foot lined with the edge of the fabric. Repeat the steps to make as many ties as you need. And that's it! Now you know how to make these easy sew curtain tiebacks. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on our latest sewing content. We have so many sewing projects you can follow along with to sew something new. Thanks for watching.